What's going on, Facebook? What's up, YouTubes? How you doing out there in the e-commerce world? Bobby back at you, trying to help you navigate the world of e-commerce. This is geared towards newbies. DIY e-commerce for newbies. If you're new to this show, subscribe. You'll be glad you did. You'll at least get some laughs. You may not learn anything, but you'll at least get some laughs. As we record conversations with customer service reps, we're going to do in this show right here, Stamps.com, and they're hilarious. I'll always regret not having the cameras rolling when I had Amazon Seller Central customer support on when there's a dadgum rooster crowing in the customer services. Sounded like right there on his desk. It was so loud. And that's what got me to thinking about starting this channel. And I already do sports media, and so it was a natural to get a special YouTube channel set up. So we're going to talk about shipping and insurance, or insurance. There's some things that come with the USPS, and right now for most shipping packages, from what I've experienced, even if you go to UPS, like we've done, we went to UPS and negotiated a great rate, and it's kind of a joint sponsorship with our sports media from UPS. It still does not touch the post office on small packages, and you guys will find that out. Anything under a couple, 3 pounds, post office is the way to go. We went over some of the pros and cons between, say, Pitney Bowes / USPS's website versus Stamps.com. Me personally, and I still haven't checked out ShipStation. That's going to be a video for another day. But I personally use Stamps.com. And up until recently, I was using both. And it's because I didn't know any better. When I went on to Stamps.com, what I like about it is your stores from eBay and Amazon are integrated with Stamps.com, where your orders, bam, they're there. You're just clicking buttons, putting in weight, and selecting the service, and it's printing out labels. You don't have to go back and forth and write down the name and address and bring it over here and type it in. It's all integrated. And whenever you hit that print button on Stamps.com, it tells eBay and Amazon it's been shipped. And if there was a tracking number, it automatically puts it in there. That was a humongous weight off my shoulders when I was using Pitney Bowes, because I'd have to copy the tracking number, go in over to eBay, put it in, go into Amazon, put it in. We didn't have a thing on our website to notify them of that. It wasn't a service that we had. So, but on Amazon and eBay, and anybody that's got a website, you got to be selling on Amazon and eBay too if you're going to sell anything, because that's where everybody goes. All right. So when I went to Stamps.com and I wanted to insure something, like we sell some mini helmets, some Notre Dame mini helmets, which happen to be pretty expensive. Well, I'm not going to let that get out of here without insurance, but post office comes with up to $100, and this mini helmet's about $70. So I don't have to worry about it as long as I ship it at priority. But I can actually ship that helmet first class because it's like 15 ounces. But that mini helmet for Notre Dame, because it's so expensive, I'd send it priority. I had enough profit built in where I can pay the extra couple bucks for priority, get the tracking number like I do on first class, gives you tracking number on the package too. But the insurance. But on Stamps.com, I'm sorry to get sidetracked. That's my middle name. You click the insurance button, it charges you $2. So I'm like, why would I pay $2 extra when I can go to the post office or Pitney Bowes and it's included? Well, we're fixing to find out exactly what I get for that $2 and something on a $20, $30, $50, $75 value. So I'm calling Stamps.com right now, and we're fixing to find out what I get for that $2 and something extra, because the postage is the same between Pitney Bowes and Stamps. Now, Pitney Bowes is cheaper than USPS.com because you're getting a discount, but it's just basically a pass through with a discount is all Pitney Bowes is, and it's a website that helps you integrate. So, sit back and let's see what Stamps.com says.
Thank you for calling Stamps.com, your complete mailing and shipping solution. Your call may be monitored and recorded. Please be aware that the USPS is instituting a temporary rate increase for packages during the 2020 holiday season between October 18th and December 27th. These increases or surcharges are the same for all weights and across all zones. Our software will automatically include these temporary rate changes when calculating your postage cost starting October 18th and will automatically revert to our regular discounted 2020 rate on December 28th.
Yeah. Let's get
For more information, visit stamps.com/postal rate change. Thank you for your patience. All of our customer care representatives are currently assisting other customers. Please hold, and your call will be answered in the order it was received.
Your wait time will be approximately 11 minutes.
I hope we don't hear a rooster crowing in the background, whoever answers his phone, like the Amazon.com customer service. I'm going to clip all this out. We'll come back when they answer.
How can I help you today?
Yes, I've got a question. I'm fairly new to Stamps.com. I was previously using Pitney Bowes, which is basically just a pass through to the postal service. I noticed when I ship priority on Pitney Bowes, I click on insurance and up to $100 is included into the rate. Now, when I go over here to Stamps.com and I click insurance, it charges you extra to the rate. Now, if I don't pick insurance on Stamps.com, is there an automatic insurance policy from the Postal Service up to $100 into that postage rate on Stamps.com?
So are you asking, do we automatically place insurance?
No, the post office gives you up to $100 on priority postage insurance free of charge. The post office does. Now, if I...
Okay, so I'm sorry. I apologize. I have a delay on my end. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
So if I go to Stamps.com and I don't add insurance because I'm thinking it's included in the priority like it is on the U.S. Postal Service website, am I going to get the USPS insurance, or is this an additional insurance policy from Stamps? I'm just curious because a box pops up and says you have to agree to the terms and conditions of Stamps.com's insurance.
If you don't add the extra insurance, your package will still be insured
through the post office.
Stamps.com.
All right.
Yes.
Answer this for me. Say on a $50 package or value on a little package, it's a couple bucks, not a lot of money, a couple of bucks for insurance. What do I get for that $2 and something that's not included in the postage already from the post office? Is there a benefit that I'm not aware of? I mean, does it? I don't know.
As far as using the Stamps.com insurance, is that what you're asking?
Yeah. What additional service do I get if I buy your insurance on top of what comes from the post office? Just curious.
Well, there are a lot of different benefits. It is similar to what you would get from the post office, but there are several discounts, that goes up to 50% depending on what it is that you're purchasing. So depending on what type of insurance that you purchase.
Okay, so there's nothing. If I've got a $30 value in a package and I put that on ship it priority, it probably doesn't benefit me to add the Stamps.com's $2 on top of that because I'm already getting something from the post office. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Okay. I was wondering, just curious, because I'm kind of new to this e-commerce thing, and shipping will make or break you, and I just want to make sure that I got all my I's dotted and T's crossed, and I got all the information I could, so I appreciate your time.
Yeah, I understand completely, and thank you for calling Stamps.com.
Thank you.
So you have a wonderful day, okay?
Okay, bye. All right. There you have it. You go to stamps.com and you don't select insurance, it comes with the insurance from the post office. She basically told me there is no benefit to getting that extra stamps.com insurance. So we learned something together. Isn't that the beauty of YouTube and sharing your experiences, the ups and downs, the failures and mistakes? And I've had a lot of mistakes. That's why I started this YouTube channel. Hey, if you're into sports like college football, you know, down south, college football is king. You can watch this on Volunteer Roadshow. I got former players. I played for Tennessee that are part of the show. We got LouTube.fan. We got HowardsRock.net. We got sports covered, but this YouTube channel is a little bit different. This is more of a DIY channel. One of the first videos I've made, and we learned something about shipping, because shipping will make or break you. I promise you that.